Life is really tough when you're struggling, when you're exhausted, anxious, forgetful, overwhelmed, insecure, and so on. When you struggle, nothing comes easy, and you start to question yourself. You start doubting your abilities, you start doubting your choices, even your appearance. You're going into overthinking, you start losing your confidence. There's so much going on, but all you really need to know is this: there's nothing wrong with you. There never was. And all you need is to change your perspective, to start seeing things differently, and to take back control over your life, knowing that you are absolutely gorgeous and unique, and you have a lot of value to give. There is no right or wrong. There is no one way. We all start off with society standards, let's say, but this is only a standard basic way to guide us through life. And what we really need to do to live a happy and healthy life is to start investigating for ourselves what works for us and what doesn't. That may require you to grow some balls, of course, because you really want to be making the choices that are right for you and not the choices that often others would want you to make. Hi, my name is Karlien, and I'm here to help wake you up to the fact that you are in control of your life. I'd like to share with you some really powerful insights and tricks and tips to help you take control of your own life, like I did for myself years ago when I was suffering severely from fatigue. Simple, easy, and logic stuff that'll make you think, why haven't I discovered all of this any sooner? Now, this is going to make your life so much easier, happier, healthier, and wealthier. It did so for me, and I'm sure it will for you. All the videos in my channel will help create awareness around who you really are and how awesome it is to be you, and to use your unique gifts to start creating the life you really want and the life you were made for. I'm constantly creating new content, so please let me know how I'm doing, and feel free to leave a comment, send in questions, or even suggestions. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Also, thank you for visiting this channel and for watching this video. My biggest wish is to put a smile on your face and fill you up with happy thoughts so you can go and create more of that yourself. Also, remember, your main focus should always be to feel good, always, or as good as you can. That is your foundation wherever you are in life. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Take care.